Yeah, hello, and I welcome for this AWS Academy Cloud Architecting SAA Solutions Architect Associate Module 5 Knowledge Check. We have 10 questions and we need to score at least 70% or higher. So here is the first question. So this is Module 5, which use cases indicate that non-relational database might be better solution than a relational database? Select two. So here you have the answers as horizontal scaling for a massive data transfer volume. Yes, that is correct. And I think data with unpredictable attributes. That is one, A and C. Yeah. So which statement that compares a database service that AWS manages with the database on Amazon EC2 instance is true? So here I say this AWS manages DB patches for a database on managed database service. This is B. Yeah. Which examples are good use cases for Amazon RDS, I mean relational database service? Select three. So here you have three things which are there. So the first one should be an application that requires the database to enforce the syntax rules. That is one. An application that requires complex joins of data. I take that. And running a Microsoft SQL services. Yes, that is also Microsoft SQL. There are 6 popular servers which are there on AWS. Okay, so B, C, and E should be the right answers. Okay, perfect. The fourth one, a company is deciding which service to use for enrollment system for their online training website. Choices are MySQL and Amazon EC2, MySQL RDS service and Amazon DynamoDB, either of these two. Which combination of use cases suggests using RDS? Select 3. Okay, so you can select this. The data is highly structured. Okay, student courses, I think course registration data can be stored in different tables. Okay, and the company doesn't want to manage the database patches, the fully managed, that is your RDS service. So just submit. Okay, the fifth one, which scenarios are good use cases for DynamoDB? Okay, let me see this Amazon database for serverless architectures. Perfect. Applications that require acid transactions, atomicity, consistency, integrity. Okay, so yes, I can take this. Applications that require acid transactions and document database for JSON based documents. This one also should be proper. Should be proper. Let me check. Yeah, correct. This is fifth one. Now sixth, a small gaming company is designing an online game where thousands of players can create their own in-game objects. They use the current design uses MySQL database in Amazon RDS to store data for player created objects. Which use cases suggest that DynamoDB might be a better solution? Select two. So let me say that this is unpredictable attributes for a player created objects. Large number of player or created objects with the different attributes, each with different attributes. Yeah, this should be the right answer. Okay. 7. Which techniques should you use to secure RDS, Amazon RDS database? So select 3. So here security groups can control uh, uh, to control network access to individual instances. So a VPC, uh, a VPC to provide instance isolation and firewall protection. Okay, encryption of to protect the sensitivity or sensitive data. So B, E, F should be the right answers. Yeah. Which techniques should you use to secure Amazon DynamoDB? Okay, select 3. Encryption to protect sensitive data, correct. There is always security group. Amazon IAM policies to define access to table item at a attribute level. I don't think so. An Amazon VPC gateway endpoint to prevent traffic from traversing the internet should be, so encrypt to protect the sensitivity of data, to define table pattern, or IAM policy will not be defining all these things. Mm, so we don't have VPC in our DynamoDB. Also, we don't have any security group. So the option which is left is AWS IAM policies and gateway filter from restricted networks. No, we can't do that. So let me give this IAM policy to define access to table item. Yeah, correct. So 9, a company wants to migrate their on-premises Oracle database to Amazon Aurora SQL. Which process describes the high-level steps? So the answer should be use AWS schema conversion tool to convert the schema, and then use Amazon DMS, that is data migration service, to migrate the data. Yeah, that is correct. So 10th one, you must perform a heterogeneous migration from your on-premises facility to a database of a virtual VPC. You use AWS Snowball Edge and AWS database migration service. At which point do you see the schema conversion tool? This 10th one, the last one. So you see this one at the start, you can use this one to extract data from the source database into a Snowball Edge before shipping the device. Yeah, and this is correct. So you got 100% correct. Thank you, and let us see in the next module. Bye.